There's probably a simple solution to getting your Frigidaire laundry center running as it should. If your unit was just installed, here are a few things to note. Make sure the power cord fits tightly in the wall outlet. Still no power? Check to ensure a house fuse isn't blown or the circuit breaker tripped. You can also check to make sure the water supply faucets are turned on and the unit is level. If everything checks out okay, try these steps. Make sure the washer lid is closed. Your laundry center will not start if the lid is open. Don't forget to press the Start Pause button after making your selections. Did you know the first 2 minutes of the cycle are spent sensing the size of the load? So no worries if you don't hear the water filling right away. Water will start to run once the sensory cycle is complete. If you need to change or cancel your settings after the cycle has started, just turning the cycle selector ring or pressing the buttons will not change anything. You will need to press Cancel before selecting new ones. If the cycle appears to have stopped, your washer may just be in a pause stage. This is perfectly normal. A pause will occur between the wash and spin cycles, with an additional pause during the soak cycle. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.